Nice days. I am Nur Shazwani Mitijala from class 6A6B. Today I would like to present you about traffic noise study. For information, traffic noise study can be defined as unwanted sound that come from vehicle operation on the roadway. It can be also considered as the noise pollution that can be seen as regular exposure to elevated sound level that may lead to adverse effect to many other living organisms. According to the World Health Organization, the sound level that less than 70 decibel are not damaging to living organisms regardless of how long or consistent the exposure is. Exposure for more than 8 hours to constant noise beyond 85 decibel may be hazardous. There are several factors that affect the level of noise of the traffic noise depend on these three things, which are volume of traffic, speed of traffic, and also number of vehicles on the roadways. Basically, traffic noise occurs from the mainly frictional effect between the road surface and also the tire of the vehicle. This traffic generated sound wave can be described by two basic parameters, which are amplitude and also frequency. Objective L10 need to determine which is sound exceeded 10% of the time and tend to be the peak noise from high noise events. For location of study, Jalan Jemaluang, Mersing, Johor that is connecting from Jemaluang to city of Mersing is chosen. In order to use Decibel X app for measure the sound pressure that travel through air from the noise source, we need to install from the Play Store first. After installation complete, open the Decibel X app and go to the setting. Setting up for the sound level meter, which is frequency weighting, is setting up for A and press OK. And then response time, setting up for fast and then press OK. Don't forget to save your data with the autosave and setting up for the duration every 5 minutes during 30 minutes. Next, we can use dB meter. As you can see the green button here, press the start button and then we can see the data, which is give us average sound level, minimum sound level, maximum sound level, and peak level. That is our result. And this is one of the results that we obtained from the study. Next, we go to data analysis. For data analysis, from the data obtained, graph of noise level decibel against time taken in second during the study is plotted. As we can see that The maximum of noise obtained is about 90 decibel. Next, L10 can be determined by using the formula we get from the study 86.15 decibel as L10 for this study. As the conclusion, the value of traffic noise level at L10 is determined, which is 86.15 decibel. The noise level was recorded by DecibelX app. The app can measure the sound pressure that travels through air from the noise source within a given time period, which is 5 minutes interval in 30 minutes. From this study, it strongly believed that the source of noise might come from vehicles, engines, and the tire of vehicle that was in contact with the pavement surface of the road. A certain level and duration of exposure, it can cause physical damage to the eardrum and the sensitive hair cell of inner ears and result in temporary or permanent hearing loss known as noise-induced hearing loss. Hearing loss does not usually occur at below 80 decibel, but most people repeatedly exposed to more than 105 decibel will have permanent hearing loss to some extent. Excessive noise exposure can raise blood pressure and pulse rate as well, and it might also lead to stress and any other problems. Hence, noise pollution controls is very crucial to be taken. First of all, low level of noise may be overcome using additional absorbent such as heavy drapery or sound absorbent time in enclosed rooms. Another techniques for reducing personal noise level is through the use of hearing protectors, which are held over the ear in the same manner as the ear muff. Last but not least, since noise pollution gives bad effect in our life, so if possible, try as much as we can to avoid jobs or any other outdoor activities that relates with regular exposure to elevated sound level.